Welcome to today's mind-bending journey through the cosmos. Buckle up because we're diving into 10 jaw-dropping facts about the universe that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Let's go. Fact number 1. The universe is expanding faster than ever. The universe isn't just expanding, it's speeding up. Scientists once thought gravity would slow it down, but instead, dark energy is pushing galaxies apart at an accelerating rate. This discovery in 1998 completely changed our understanding of the cosmos, and it's still one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. Fact number 2. There could be multiple universes. Ever heard of the multiverse theory? It suggests our universe might not be the only one. Imagine an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics, some similar to ours, and some radically different. The possibilities are endless, and we might never truly know if they exist. Mind-blowing, right? Fact number 3. There's a black hole 13 billion times the mass of our sun. At the center of galaxy M87 lies a black hole so massive it weighs more than 13 billion suns. This gravitational monster is so powerful it can bend light itself, warping the very fabric of space-time. Just imagine the sheer force of that. Fact number 4. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. Imagine compressing the mass of the sun into a ball the size of a city. That's a neutron star. It's one of the densest objects in the universe. In fact, just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's heavier than a mountain. Fact number 5. Time is different in space. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time actually moves slower the closer you are to a massive object. So astronauts aboard the International Space Station are technically aging slower than people on Earth. Time travel, anyone? Fact number 6. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Our Milky Way alone has an estimated 100 billion stars, and that's just one of the hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. So, when you look up at the night sky, remember, there are more stars out there than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth combined. Let that sink in. Fact number 7. Our sun is middle-aged. Our sun is about 4.6 billion years old, and it's expected to last for another 5 billion years. That's right, we're living through its middle age. Eventually, it will swell into a red giant, then shrink into a white dwarf before fading away. A cosmic reminder that even stars have lifetimes. Fact number 8. There could be life on other planets. With over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets discovered, some scientists believe life could exist elsewhere in the universe. Planets like Proxima b and Kepler 452b sit in their stars' habitable zones where liquid water could exist. Could there be alien civilizations out there? Who knows? We might even be the aliens to someone else. Fact number 9. The biggest thing in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This colossal structure is the largest known in the universe, measuring a staggering 10 billion light-years across. It's a giant supercluster of galaxies, and its sheer size challenges our understanding of the universe's structure. Just how did something so massive form? We're still figuring that out. Fact number 10. The universe could end in a big freeze, big crunch, or big rip. How will the universe end? It could be a big freeze, where everything cools down and stars burn out, or a big crunch, where gravity pulls everything back together, or even a big rip, where dark energy tears apart everything. Planets, stars, and even atoms. The fate of the universe is still one of the greatest cosmic mysteries.